start again. It's a rich thing.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm Kushal and this is Savage Programmer. So welcome all of you to a new video and a new trick and something to learn. So let's get started. It's a very simple trick and I guess you might have not known this before. So let's quickly jump on to GitHub. So here's my GitHub profile. If you haven't went through the previous video where I showed you how to do this, check out in the I button and go to the repositories. So go to any of your repositories. I'll go to a simple one which do not have a lot of files. So let's go to this. It's a simple JSON to CSV converter. So right now if you want to see what is there in all these files, what you do actually, you just click on them and see and walk around all the lines and everything. This is okay. Like if you'll be able to see everything, each line of code in your favorite editor, how would that be? It will be great, So what you have to do is you just have to write 1s after GitHub. Let me zoom in and then I'll show you. Okay, it is not zooming up, sorry. And 1s and boom, you are inside VS Code. I mean, not VS Code actually, but a similar kind of editor. So you can navigate to any of your, files that are there inside that particular repository. So it looks pretty fine and it is more convenient as well because it gives the look of VS Code. It has all the features that VS Code provides, like you can search in the repository and all other stuff. One more important thing to note is this is an open source project, basically Github1s, and it is not owned by GitHub. It's a open source repo, independent of GitHub, but this is pretty cool, right? And I would request GitHub to capture this or at least start managing it because this is pretty cool for the developers. So what does that Github1s mean? It means 1 second to read GitHub using VS Code. So if you like this particular trick, go check out other videos as well. I've shared a lot of tricks inside, all the playlists that I've made, and stay tuned for more. Go share this particular trick with your friends and keep on learning. Happy coding.